So today we discuss about the pivot table.
Recording in
Recording in
progress.
progress. Last class we also discussed the pivot table and today also discuss the pivot table. So last class we discussed the pivot table, how can you use the pivot table and etc. Right? So first we have opened the file for pivot table. So last time we discussed the sorting, moving and grouping of in pivot table.
No, sir, no, sir. Sorting not.
Ji?
Only some summary method.
Yeah, summary. Okay. So today discuss the sorting, filtering, moving, and grouping in pivot table. Okay. So sometimes
Okay,
we
sir.
have need that sort the data, sometimes need the filter the data, and also group the data. So today we discuss about the sorting, moving, grouping in pivot table. Same data we have select, insert, and go to the pivot table and OK. Oh, sorry, we have insert the pivot table in the new worksheet. So we have select the insert pivot table, select the existing worksheet and this sheet grouping. Okay. So we have put the data in the row and also we have put the quantity in the value and we got the list. But I want to list according the highest to lowest, lowest to highest. So that time, just click here the number and click the sort. You can sort smallest to largest and largest to smallest. Okay. When you click the largest to smallest, you can see highest value is on the up and lowest, lowest, lowest. To sort the descending order and also the smallest. But I want to sort according the name. So put on the cursor on the name and right click, go to the sort and sort A to Z or Z to A. You have sort. So you have select this which field and right click and sort your complete pivot table sort out according the selected field. But we have put the more than one field in the row sections. Then, so then remember, I have put the name. This is the name. So when you have the sort largest to smallest to sort by name. Okay, but
Okay.
I have clicked the course. This is the course. Then we have sort to sort by course, not a name, only course, and not only for puja course sorted. Every course will be sorted. Okay,
Okay.
so you have
Okay.
which field you have selected. Only this field will be sorted.
Mm-hmm.
But we have also put the month in the column and I want to sort according the column. So you have right click and also sort by column. Okay.
Okay.
So you have sort also top to bottom and also left to right. Just click right, select the field, right click and sort. And
Okay.
you have select that your value, sort by value. If you select your fill fill list, select by fill list. Sort by fill list.
Okay.
Okay. So do you understand the sorting? So how can sort the data
Yes.
in pivot?
Yes, sir. But manual sorting is possible.
Yeah, also possible. I just agree. So
If
sometimes,
suppose,
yeah,
mm,
sometime just like we had put the month in the row and Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, like that. But I want to sort the financial year, April to March. So how can sort? So that time we have do the move. So we have select the Jan, Feb, March and drop to last of the data. You can see April to December. So you can also move according your requirement. Just like I have put the course in the column and I want to my Excel sorry dashboard is the first. So we have click the dashboard and right click and move to first. Sorry,
Oh.
yeah, move to first. Okay. You can
Mhm.
move the single column, single row, and you can also select the multiple row and multiple column, and you can also move.
Sorry,
And
interchange between June, July in
tell me
rows.
again. Tell me again.
Interchange between June and July. If suppose I want to bring July 1st and June 2nd, five
Yeah,
and
yeah,
sixth row.
yeah. You can also. This is the move to July up and also June 2nd. Just move. Okay.
Oh,
You
okay.
can also right click and here move, move, move for beginning up, down, and okay.
But when I tried putting any settings to be enabled for this,
No, no. Just move. This is the open features.
oh, okay,
And remember, no have advanced sorting and more sorting feature in the pivot. In the pivot have a limited sorting features, right?
okay,
So we have discussed all the sorting and moving. Now we discuss about the filtering. How can filter the data? Okay, so we have three type of the filter. First, the row filter, just like you see here, this is the blank, and I don't want to show the blank. So go to the label. This is the filter symbol. Click here and uncheck the filter. And okay,
okay,
you can see here your blank will be here. And you can also filter in the column. In the column, and we don't want to show the blank, and just okay, you can see no have the blank. Okay. So we have remove here. So we have the two type of the filter. First, the level filter. Level filter, it means filter applicable on this levels. And value filter, this is the value filter, and value filter applicable on the your numbers. It means your summary numbers, summary digits, and summary value. Okay. Just like we want to sort the top three. So go to the top 10 and just select here top three and press OK. You can see only for top three will be selected here. Okay.
okay,
But remember, you have applied only for one filter at one time. Just like we have selected the filter here. We have escaped the blank. Okay. Now we have applied top 10 here. Top three. You can see your blank will be disabled.
oh,
Okay. We have tried, we have skipped the blank and press the OK. You can see here your top three will be unfiltered. Okay.
okay,
So we have used the one filter at one time. So label filter, it means apply the filter on the your levels, and value filter apply on the your digits,
okay,
which will have a put in the value section. So see here, the equal does not equal begin with. It's like in the conditional formatting, we have discussed this type of the conditions. Does not begin with and with, contain, does not contain, greater than, less than, not between, like that. And also value equal, does not equal, greater than equal, less than, between, not between. So we have put here and apply. This is we have greater than 700 and okay. So we have applied the filter greater than 700. So this is the row filter. But you can also apply the column filter. We have put the course in the column section. Now I want to apply the filter on the column section. You can see here, this is the column, and also here is the level filter, apply the your levels, and value, apply on the value. You choose your levels and also choose your value. Just like we have select the top three and okay. You can see top three. Top three, not row wise. Top three, the column wise. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the filter. Now, next is the page filter. Just like I want to apply the city and name here. And when you select the city, our complete pivot table filter according the city. I have selected the name, complete pivot table reports filtering according the name. And we have also put here the more and more filter. Just like we have put city and name. So we have select the city and select the Delhi and OK. Now only for Delhi data is coming. In Delhi, we have select the puja. You can see only for puja reports will be show here. So Mr. Christopher, do you understand the
Yes,
filter,
sir. Yes, sir.
pivot filter?
Yes.
But I
Yes, sir.
want to apply the filter in the graphical filter. So it means we have used slicer. In the data pivot table analysis, first click on the pivot table. When you click the pivot table, two new menu is coming in the menu bar. First is the pivot table analyze and go to the insert slicer. And we have select the name and city and also course. So which field we want to apply the filter, we have select and OK. You can see the slicer will be coming. You can arrange according to your visualizations and now. You can also resize,
Okay.
just like this is the resize the your pivot slicer. Right. So when we click the puja, only for puja report is coming. We have removed the puja filter. I have I want to see the Noida, only for Noida is coming. Okay. In the Noida, only for Mohan and course Tableau and VVH coming in the data. So you have applied the multiple filter here. Okay, sir. So do you understand
Okay.
slicer? So in the future classes,
Yes,
we
sir.
discuss the in detail of the slicer. Okay.
Okay.
So third topic will be finished here, the filtering. So we have discussed the
Basic.
sorting. We have
Hello.
discussed the sorting, moving, and filtering. Any questions?
Sir, if slicer we are using for multiple filter, correct?
Yeah. When you have
Inside
create the
the pivot.
dashboard, when you create the dashboards, just like I just share your own dashboard, this dashboard, okay? And I need
Okay.
to KPI. This is the report. I want to just check the home office segment. So click the home office. Our complete report is filtering according the home office. I want to only for zone in the south. Click the south. Only for south is coming. Okay,
Okay.
it's clear.
This is also
Yeah,
filter.
this is the
Multiple
this is
filter in
the
pivot.
this is the slicers, and this slicer connect to these filters. Okay, we have
Okay.
applied the more multiple filters here, and just click the filter you
Mm-hmm.
applied.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
In future, we discuss this type of the dashboard, and you can learn how can use this dashboard.
Okay.
Now we discuss the grouping. So we have go to the data and again insert the one pivot, and we have select the our sheet in the grouping and OK. Now we have put the city here and quantity. Okay, but problem is कि Delhi, Noida, or Jizya, it means Gurugram and Faridabad. They both are all cities have a Delhi and NCR. So I want to club this all city in Delhi and NCR and show the only one time. How can so?
NCR?
Yeah. Just select the
NCR.
Delhi, press the control key and select the Noida,
What is
select the
NCR, sir?
Kanpur. NCR, Delhi, nearest Delhi. NCR.
No, no. NCR
Nearest
is a
area,
grouping.
in Delhi, nearest area called the Delhi NCR.
Oh, 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 oh. Okay.
Just like Noida, also NCR, Faridabad, also NCR, Gurgaon, also NCR, Delhi NCR.
Okay.
So right click here and group. Click the group and you can see group is coming. Group one is here. So, and all of the city selected cities show here. And in the row section, we have two field, the row two and city two and city. So city is the old and city two is the new. So city is removed here. Now city two is यहाँ पे show here. And now you can
Okay.
remove the name. This is group one to Delhi and LCM. Okay. So
Okay.
you can also group the multiple text which you select and right click group here. But sometimes we need to group as a number. Like I want to create the one more pivot. We have select the pivot and copy the pivot and paste here. New pivot is applied here. So we have removed the city and now MRP. So I want to range of MRP, which range MRP have it, how many quantity will be sold. Just like 0 to 1000, how many quantity sale, 1000 to 2000, how many quantity sales. So like that. So we have put the MRP in row sections, but now I show the exact MRP, every exact MRP, but I want to store in the range, summary within range. So right click here and group. Right click and group. And now we have select here 0 and this is the 5000 and 1000 is the group by slab 1000 slab and okay. You can see here 0 or blank is the 1500, 2000 to 20, 3000 have a this sale and 3000 to 4000 have a this sale. Okay,
Okay.
it is clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have group also number. But if you have the date, if you have the date, you can also group the date. Just like we have the date and we have put the date in the here. You can see here my date is sorted by month. But I want to sort according the requirement. So right click here and go to the group. And now I want to sort only for a month. It's okay. Only month is coming. I want to sort month and year. Group, month and year will be selected here. And you can also put the year in the row and column and filter anywhere. Just like put here. You can see our yearly report will be here. Now
So this
we have
grouping is auto grouping, sir.
right click and group. But I want to group by date. But 15 days, not a month, not a days. Every 15 days. So we have select only for dates and click here 15 and okay. Your 15 days is coming. So if you have the date, but remember in the date have a date only for date. No have any text and other value in the date column, and you have just put the date in the row and column and right click. You can also group and your group and you select the which type of group. You can also select the one and more than one. Just like month, year, quarter. Just like hour, minutes again. Okay,
Okay.
it is clear.
Okay. Okay.
So today we discussed how can sort, how can move, how can filters, and how can group. So
Okay.
do you practice on these features? And tomorrow we discuss the one project related to real time problem. Okay.
Okay.